If you've ever used a hacksaw or a reciprocating saw to cut off the end of a machine screw or a carriage bolt, you've probably already discovered that you can't get the nut back on when you're finished. That's because the sawing has deformed the threads and created little burrs. So the next time you need to cut the end of something off, here's a quick tip. Put the nut on the end before you begin cutting. Then put the bolt in a vise and just start cutting it at the length that you need it. Now when you're finished, you'll just need to back the nut off, and you can use some pliers or a wrench if you need to, but as you remove the nut, it will actually reform the threads and shear off any of those little burrs. Now you'll have a nut and bolt that work the same way as they did before, and they'll be the right size.